Hi Achievers! Welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say I want bread. Be sure to watch this video to the end for a bonus tip. Ready? Please consider subscribing and let's go! Today we start learning the names of foods and phrases that go with them. When we need to say I want in Russian, we say я хочу, where я is I, хочу is want. I want is я хочу. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word хочу. The first sound is х. It's like English х, but we sound it out. Х. Try saying it with me. Х. Excellent. Next we have O. And O is unstressed in the word хочу and is pronounced as a. Хочу. Then we have sound ch. And the last one is U. Well done. When we write the word хочу or want, we write х, о, ч, у. When we say it, it's х, а, ч, у. Хочу. Excellent. If you need to review the letters, A Plus Russian has a number of videos on letters and how to combine them. I hope you check them out and come back to finish this lesson. Now let's say I want bread in Russian. Я хочу хлеб, where я is I, хочу is want, and хлеб is bread. Я хочу хлеб, or I want bread. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word хлеб. The first sound is х, and it's like English х, but we sound it out. Х. Х. Next sound is L. Then we have Е. And then we have B. And B at the end of the word is pronounced as P. Хлеб. Хлеб. When we write хлеб, we write Х, L, Е, B. But when we say it, we say Х, L, Е, P. Хлеб, which is bread in Russian. Do you remember how to say I want? Я хочу. Excellent. Do you remember how to say bread? Хлеб. Well done. Now let's see how well you remember the words we learned today and play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! Я is I. Хочу is want. Хлеб is bread. Я хочу хлеб Я. Do you remember where the other я is? Well done. Хочу. Do you know where the other хочу is? Excellent. Хлеб. Well done, Achievers. Next time when you want to have some bread, try saying it in Russian. Я хочу хлеб. Я хочу хлеб. Where я is I, хочу is want, and хлеб is bread. Well done. And here is your bonus tip. Sometimes you'll hear native speakers say «Я хочу хлеба» with an «а» at the end. It means exactly the same as «Я хочу хлеб», but is more conversational. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A+ Russian.